So this is what I have done for the past few weeks for Btr Lawn Care for their social media marketing strategy. So I finalized the branding report that I had created for them. Bridger, who is my mentor and the owner of the brand, wanted to rebrand Btr Lawn Care, redo their logo, and kind of have a more cohesive color scheme and look. So in this report, I did the style guide. I also included some social media strategy points, and then I also created some sample content. I emailed this report to Bridger, and he absolutely loved it. So this is just some screenshots of the report. I did a short analysis on page 1 about the brand. I also went in and looked at the audience on Facebook and Instagram. And then on the right, I have 2 screenshots. One is what social media currently looks like, and the other after screenshot is what it could look like with the rebrand that I have done. On the left here, we have the target audience. I went through and looked at the target audience that was already part of Btr Lawn Care, and then I also went ahead and decided what that audience would look like as far as a profile. I also shared the best way to reach that audience, and then I also talked about a really great opportunity with spring coming up. On the right, I have the potential logo options that I created, and so I sent those to Bridger as well. On the left, I have the branding and design. I created this for Bridger, and he loved it. He loved how professional and natural it looked. And then on the right, I did some content samples. One thing that I really wanted to suggest to Bridger was to do content marketing. So not just before and afters and things about the brand, but also different parts of lawn care that may benefit the audience just by looking at it. So what is aeration? I'm doing some infographics and some other content. And then finally, I did the additional content ideas. So again, content marketing would be a great way to create the relationship with the followers. I created this graphic on the right, and then also I thought it would be a great idea to include testimonials, considering that Btr Lawn Care is a new brand and they are trying to bring in more clients for their spring coming up. And so I think that posting testimonials of great experiences would be a great way to reach additional customers. Moving forward, I plan to generate more content for the social media pages. I then want to begin posting the content on the accounts. And then I want to basically run a couple tests and see which time of day and which days receive the most reach and engagement. And then I'm going to analyze that data, and then I'm going to go back to Bridger, and then we can create a plan moving forward.